Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. So after I posted my original laundry deals video a couple days ago, I realized that I completely forgot about several really good laundry digital coupons in the Dollar General app. So I wanted to put together this new video for 5 more laundry deals that you can do this Saturday, October 16th at Dollar General. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love it so much if you would click on that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the deals. And leave a comment down below and let me know which deal did you enjoy the most. It helps me plan out my future deal videos. So let's get started. For our first laundry deal, you could grab one of the big size bottles of Gain fireworks. They are $13.50, and then clip the $3 off Gain digital coupon. Grab one bottle of Downy Infusions In-Wash Scent Booster Beads. They are $4.50, and then clip the $1 off Downy digital coupon. Grab one of the 10-ounce size bottles of Gain fireworks. They're $6.95, and then clip the $2 off Gain fireworks digital coupon. And then finally grab one bottle of Febreze Unstoppables spray for $4, and then clip the $2 off any one Febreze Unstoppables digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $28.95. We have $8 worth of coupons. That makes our subtotal $20.95. Minus the 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $15.95 plus tax out of pocket for everything. That's a really good deal for a lot of scent booster beads. For our second laundry deal, you could grab one of the big size bottles of Gain fireworks. They're $13.50, and then clip the $3 off any one Gain fireworks digital coupon. Grab one of the 10-ounce size bottles of Gain fireworks. They're $6.95, and then clip the $2 off any one Gain fireworks digital coupon. And then finally grab one of the big bottles of Downy Unstoppables. They are $9.95, and clip the $3 off any one Downy digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $30.40. We have $8 worth of coupons. That makes our subtotal $22.40. Minus the 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $17.40 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our third laundry deal, you could grab one bottle of Downy Calm fabric softener for $4.50 and clip the $1 off Downy digital coupon. Grab one of the big 129-ounce size bottles of Downy fabric softener. They're $9.95, and this time clip the $3 off one Downy digital coupon. Grab one of the 75-ounce size bottles of Purex laundry detergent. They're $4.50, and clip the $1 off Purex digital coupon. And then finally grab one of the big size bottles of Gain fabric softener. They're $6.95, and clip the $2 off any one Gain fabric softener digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.90. We have $7 worth of coupons. That makes our subtotal $18.90. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $13.90 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our fourth laundry deal, you can grab one of the larger size bags of Gain Flings. They're $6.95, and then clip the $2 off any one Gain Flings digital coupon. Grab one of the big tubs of Gain Flings, the 51 count. They're $13.50, and then clip the $3 off any one Gain Flings digital coupon. And then finally grab 2 boxes of the 3-count Colgate toothpaste. They're $4 each, which makes them $8 for both boxes. And then clip the $6 off of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes at $28.45. We have $11 worth of coupons. That makes our subtotal $17.45. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $12.45 plus tax out of pocket for everything. For our fifth laundry deal, you could grab one of the 150-ounce size bottles of extra laundry detergent for $5 and then clip this $1 off extra laundry detergent digital coupon. Grab another one of the extra laundry detergents, again $5, and then this time clip this other $1 off any one extra laundry detergent digital coupon. Next, grab one of the big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. They are $11, and then clip the $2 off any one Arm & Hammer laundry detergent digital coupon. And then finally grab one of the 75-ounce size bottles of Purex laundry detergent. They're $4.50, and then clip the $1 off Purex laundry detergent digital coupon. When we add everything up before coupons, our total retail value comes to $25.50. We have $5 worth of coupons, so that makes our subtotal $20.50. Minus that 5 off 25 Saturday digital coupon makes our final total only $15.50 plus tax out of pocket for everything. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it helps you to save money this week and squeeze in a couple extra laundry deals this week. Like I mentioned before, if you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, I would love it so much if you would click on that subscribe button. It means a lot to me and it helps support my channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way when I post any of my future deal videos or I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats, you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.